What's the meaning of consideration? Consideration. Consideration.
Consideration. Consideration.
Consideration is a term used in contract law that refers to something of value given by one party to another in exchange for something else. It can be money, goods, services, or a promise to do something.
Consideration is necessary for a contract to be legally binding and enforceable. Without it, a contract may be deemed void or unenforceable. In summary, consideration is an essential element of a contract that ensures the parties involved have exchanged something of value, making the agreement legally binding.